Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Sargent. I just want to give you a brief overview of what our class looks like on Blackboard. When you go into Blackboard and click on our class, it'll automatically take you into the announcement page, and I will post new announcements every week, just kind of giving you a heads up, letting you know what's coming up this week, what we're going to be working on, what kinds of things are due. So this is always a great place to start, and it's really important that you log on and check Blackboard not only on our class days, but even on other days when we're not in class, just to make sure that you're keeping up with all the assignments and that you're getting things done. The menu bar over here has all the main content areas, so this is where you always want to kind of focus and find information. The syllabus and course info tab gives you the syllabus once I get it posted in there, information about a handbook, information about my office hours, and some other things like that. The most important tab that you're going to want to pay attention to for right now before class starts is the Start Here tab. There's a whole module about Writing 65 and the kinds of things that you need to know, you need to be prepared for, computer requirements, software requirements, browser requirements, things like that. So you want to go through there and make sure that you've got all of that and that you're ready to go when class starts. I also have in this folder a number of links and information about COCC, just kind of some general information about health and safety, things like that that you might want to know or check on. The weekly assignments tab will have folders each week, and inside the folder it will give you all the reading assignments and any writing assignments, anything that's due for the week, and those will appear weekly. So all the information that we need for a week will be in there. Some of it like you have to read ahead of time before class, some of it we'll go through together in class. And otherwise, a lot of this we'll probably just talk about as we get to it. I have direct links to our Zoom class meetings, so our weekly meetings that we have, you can just click right on this link and it'll take you to the Zoom link and put you right into our class. Same thing for my Zoom office hours. I'm available Monday afternoon and Tuesday and Thursday morning. So if you need me during those times, you can just click on this link. It takes you right into my office hours and we can talk. So this is pretty much it. Poke around, get to know what's there. If you have any questions, you can go to the discussion board and use the Ask Mrs. Sargent discussion board and put any questions in there, and I usually check this pretty frequently and I can get right back to you. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all soon. Have fun looking around and good luck.